Hi, I'm Marlon, and in this video I will show you how I built this CB Gitty cigar box amplifier, and at the end of the video I'll show you what it sounds like.
Here is an overview of the project and its components. The first cigar box that came with the kit was damaged by a drill hole saw, so a second cigar box was used and a hole was cut using a Dremel tool. Using various drill bits and a Dremel tool, holes were drilled for input jack, volume control, LED, and battery compartment. Small pieces of wood were added to reinforce the speaker screw holes. The speaker was then screwed into place. Wires were soldered to the speaker, input jack, and LED. Amp board potentiometer was fastened into place. LED was placed in its hole, and a drop of wood glue was applied to the back of it. Input jack was installed and fastened into place. Battery box was installed and screwed into place. Potentiometer knob was installed. Box corners were screwed into place. A Sharpie was used to blacken the edges around the speaker opening, and pads were placed on the base of the amplifier. This is the finished project.
Okay, this is how the amplifier sounds. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for the next video. Thank you very much.